Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth. And today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully you guys had a great weekend and ready for a full week of trading. Shout out to everyone on TikTok. Shout out to the crew here on YouTube. What's going on, Greg? What's up, Mo? We got Legal Draft in the house. What's up, brother? I haven't seen you in a while. We got Miss Smooth in the house today, guys. And you guys will never believe what today is. You guys will never believe. Guess what today is, guys? Guys, I'll give you one shot. I'll give you one shot. Let's see if I could. Let me see if I can give you guys a little hint. I'll give you guys a little hint. I'll give you a minute to guess. Guess what today is. Yes,
You're not giving them a hint, though.
Huh?
You're not giving them a hint.
Yeah, well, I'm going to give them a hint right now. Hold on. Market's open. I'll give you guys one hint. All right, let's see if you guys can guess. Let's see if anybody in the chat can guess, babe.
We gotta know we're long.
Yeah, we're long right now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Wow, markets are ripping. Are we in a trade? Are we in a trade? Let's see. Looks like we are. Wow. That's not a one-to-one. That must have been the volatility. Must be the volatility. Let's see, Johnny. Can we get a hit to 851? We're looking for a move right now to 851. That would be a nice hit on Mrs. Smooth's birthday. Let's see. We're up a little bit. Almost. We're up about 225 earlier, but we had a little small loss. We're up 191 right now. Go ahead and move your stop to break even on that, babe.
Okay.
I don't want you to, that's a pretty nice entry. Pretty nice entry. If he comes back down, then it's okay. We'll be safe. Yeah, sellers are ravaging this. Yeah, it's coming back. All right, we're out. I break even. Yeah. Yeah, that did not look like it had a lot of strength there. Okay, now it's going back up. Look at that. It just came back for our break-even stop loss. Look at that. Let's see. Who's in control here, guys? We got a mixed market. Pretty mixed. I do have some support here at around 785. I do have some support on 785. Let's see what happens there. I am going to take some manual trades here this morning as well. Aside from Johnny doing this thing. Oh my God, are you serious?
What?
It's moving higher now. After coming back for our break-even stop loss. That's too funny. Yeah, looks like they're going. They want to go higher now. That's insane. Sorry about that, babe.
No, that's okay.
Is that about moving to break even? Now it looks like that's all it wanted was that break even. That was such a stupid move on my part. My bad. All right, we got done dirty there. First trade of the day. That was my fault though. I went to break even and the market then moved up in our direction. All right, let's let her calm down here, see if we can find ourselves. I did have this level here as possible support around 785. I did like this level for some support. And I do like this level up here at 869 as possible resistance. And she's moving down quite hard right now. Let's see if she'll catch a bounce here around that level that I have at 784. Everyone's saying happy birthday to Miss Smooth. It's your birthday, babe?
Thank you. Okay.
It's your birthday?
Your sarcasm
Wow,
is
what a
so
dump.
appealing.
What a dump here. What a move down. Oof, that was nasty.
Thank
That
you,
was just
guys.
nasty.
I appreciate
Wow,
it.
what a crazy move there.
It doesn't feel like my birthday though.
It doesn't?
Mm-mm.
No? I think Johnny is short on an account here. Let me see. Yeah, he's short on this one.
Okay.
Yeah, he's short on this one. And let's see if he gets his TP. Watch the market turn around. Oh, he got it. He got it. Good move. All right, that one's hit. See if he finds himself anything else. Any other trades? Nothing yet. Might take some of my own if I see something I like. Big move to the downside just now. Looks like they set a real nice trap there. Yeah, quite the move. Yeah, big pump right back up. Both of these levels here on the indicator got hit, 767 and 732. Two really nice targets here on the MOAS indicator, and again the compression short right there. Here, there was a compression short on this move right there, and the MOAS right there, and both of these got hit just now. It's like they came intentionally down to just hit that. And I like the long here. It looks like it might push. We'll see if we can get a confirmation above this white line. I really did like that white line there for a move higher. Bless you, babe.
Sorry.
We do have 15-second and the 8-minute are red right now on the triple Lindy. 15 minutes green. 1 minute is kind of pinching off right now. Could be a turn of events going higher. Nice, shorts are still in control. We did get the overnight low. That was taken out already here. Try a short. All right, see if we can get a move down to about 747.
What was that?
You edited something?
No. Oh,
No?
yeah.
All right, this thing's ripping right back up. See if we can get the move. Hey, baby. How you doing? Oh, no, nice hug.
Oh, sweet.
I love you. My daughter loves me, guys.
Aww, thank you, baby.
Oh, so sweet. What is today something special?
Babe,
I'm just kidding.
your
It's very
sarcasm is
special.
intense.
It's a very special Monday.
this is cute. What'd you use for this?
All right, we made some doll hairs on that one. Let's see if we can find something else. Good little push. What are you talking about? I didn't say anything to you. Get out of here. All right, we're pushing back, back up a little bit.
Oh, you're so sweet, Mama. Thank you. Aw. Baby, you're so sweet. I love you.
Sorry, guys, we're having a moment. Getting all choked up.
It's a beautiful moment.
Thank you, Kayla.
It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, that was very beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mama. All right, we're still pushing to the downside here. What's the next target that market might be looking for? I'm thinking 704. This was a point of high volume, so we could reach down to 704. I don't see it. I don't see it popping too hard just yet, but you never know. Anything's possible. Sam B says, "Happy birthday, Mr. Smooth."
Thank you. Thank you
What's going on,
guys.
Ryan? How you doing, Ryan? Good morning, Mrs. Smooth Traders, and happy birthday, says Ryan.
Oh, thank you. Ryan.
Great stream last night, brother. I checked the stats this morning. You did
Yeah.
excellent. Over 1,300 views last night. 90
His
likes.
daughter's so adorable.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
His daughter's so
Oh,
adorable.
his daughter. You saw his daughter last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were watching your stream on the TV last night. Yeah. We couldn't really comment too much on the TV, but she commented on her cell phone for you.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, you got some good-looking kids, man. Did you adopt? I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding.
Just expect my husband to say always something sarcastic.
Always. There's never a day I'm not sarcastic.
Babe, if you can give me a birthday present, it's just one day with no sarcasm.
Yeah. One day,
One
no
day.
sarcasm, guys. That's Miss Smooth's birthday. It's going to be a cheap birthday this year. Okay, what are we doing here? We're condensing a little bit. I still like the targets down to 704. Could still move a little bit more. All right, looks like Johnny's going short. Yeah, Johnny's going short. Johnny is short here. Ooh, good move, Johnny. Good move, buddy. He likes to move down to 680. Getting a big push to the upside here, though. See if we can find some weakness. Uh-oh, buyers are stepping in. Let's see if 785 will act as some resistance. It acted as support earlier. That overnight low might be resistance too. All right. $680 looks like a good target. All right, let's see if we can get some follow through to the downside. That would be nice. Sellers are gaining some ground here again, guys. We could see a strong move to the downside. That rejection off the overnight low would make me think they definitely want to take out 704. But if they use that overnight low as support, then we're probably going to see that VWAP hit, or maybe even 868 hit. Give us 735 for Mrs. Smooth, says Sam B. Dang, she's ripping. Yeah, give us a dump here. All she wants for her birthday, NQ, is Green Day. He wants to pass his Eve out today in Q. What's going on? FX Gold Knights, Chemists, Santis. It's Mar Yi. Welcome to our TikTok chat. What's going on? Pamela Vans. Hope you guys are all doing well. Let's see if this market is going to start ripping now. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it gives us a move down. That would be great. You know, looks like buyers are coming in here strong. Yeah, they are coming in strong. You want to bring this thing right back up? Maybe just up high enough to take our stop loss. I don't know. It's been a wild market. All right, we're pushing back down. It's nice to see. Buyers are not making this easy. They're definitely not making it easy. Trying to get really aggressive here and break the 800. If sellers really want to be in control here, they got to keep the price under the overnight low. Right now we're flirting with it at those 770s. Stay under 770 here, and we got a chance to hit 680. We'll have a chance. If not, we're gonna get stopped out at 812, I believe. 812, yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna start to rip now. Unfortunately. And this is not looking too hot for the sellers. Green diamonds did kick in here on the 15-second. Yeah, buyers are strong, man. And they're just looking to rip this thing right back up to VWAP possibly here. Yeah, it's as good as done, I think. Yeah, buyers are just too strong right now. Yeah, we're going to be stopped out here.
Mm-hmm.
Hope we didn't get top ticked on that one. That would hurt. Price might be trying to head up to the VWAP, or maybe just up high enough to take out this liquidity that's sitting here at 812. Okay, no.
Let me see.
Hmm?
It's gonna be a good day.
It's going to be a good day. It's going to be amazing.
And Q has no choice. Just kidding.
NQ's got no choice, my way say. No choice, NQ. All right, now Johnny's long on this move. Let's see if it works out. His TP is 860. See if it works out for him. Yeah, this is that make or break level here. This 785 level, they dipped down below it. Now they're strong above it. I think they're going to continue to the upside if I'm not mistaken here. Really looks like a strong push coming in. It is a bit of a choppy market, though. It's hard to tell who's in control right now, whether it's buyers or sellers. We have a mixed bag. We do have a mixed bag. They're going for that liquidity up there at the 840s, 860s. Looks like they are. Oh, wow. What a reversal there.
Oh, I didn't even know I was in a trade.
Yeah.
I'm in a long, okay.
Set the key right up. Right before hitting that liquidity at the VWAP. Turned things a little bit bearish there for a sec. See if they're going to make a strong push. I doubt it. It looks like they want to bring things back down. You know, we need to push up to the 860s for Johnny. Hopefully he can get it. And it looks like they're coming right back down after that move up, skipping the VWAP altogether. It's a great fake out move. Yeah, they'll keep dumping this thing here. They'll keep dumping it more than likely. You know, it's a good trap to the upside, and now it looks like they want to bring things back down. Let's see.
Dang.
Dumped, right?
Hmm.
Now it's pumping. As soon as they take our stop. That's all they wanted is a stop. Still think there's a good chance to head down to 704.
I have to contact,
Let's see what they do here. Oh, they're moving right back up. Yeah, well, what a move this morning. She is all over the place. Sellers were really aggressive there. Can they keep pushing it down to 700? It's a possibility they can. All right, they're bringing it right back up.
Oh dang! I went to 51.
Hmm?
I went to 51.
What went to 51?
Equity.
You're in the 51s?
Yeah. Well, like 51,900, but like.
Yeah.
Stinks to see. Come on, peoples. Or NQ. Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
I have an appointment on Wednesday morning.
You have an apartment?
Appointment on Wednesday morning. You might have to take Kathleen out of school on Wednesday.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm going to get evaluated for a burn.
Are you?
Yeah.
For what?
Kind of like, well, I didn't do it when I first joined.
Okay.
So I have to start now. So then I think it's 6 months to a year. They're going to, what's it called?
I don't know.
They ask me questions. They measure me. They measure my body.
You see how you're progressing?
Yeah, basically, like they, kind of like what you do.
Okay.
Yeah. Just to
So you're
make
doing
sure.
evaluations all around, huh?
Huh?
You're doing evaluations all around.
Yeah. So I like that they do that stuff.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
All right, we're right now back below 785, but this market is just so darn choppy. It doesn't want to move. It just wants to keep sweeping liquidity, sweeping liquidity, sweeping liquidity, and can you just pick a direction already?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for real. Oh, this is a good
755 for your TP for your short.
question. What do you guys do?
Oh my
when,
God, this market today is
This
just
market really wants to.
it's just
grind your
all
gears.
over. What did you do? Take a break.
Huh?
This market is just, I said take a break because this market is down 1 second, up the next, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you do something that's not, it's just disgusting the way this market's
I
moving
was
right now.
just asking, like, what do you guys do when the NQ just really wants to grind your gears?
Grind your gears, right?
Yeah.
It's just going all over
Like,
the
what do you
place this
guys
morning.
do to kind of like,
It's not moving clean.
I don't want to say calm your patience, but take your anger out on something. Like, I think working out is kind of what I do.
Yeah, you got to walk away. Very hard to do. Very hard thing to do.
No, but like, what's something you use to keep your mental strength?
Think about.
Hmm?
It's hard. It's really hard. There's really not much you can do.
You know, some people do boxing. So let their rage out.
Yeah.
I do burpees because
You do burpees.
I have no choice.
You do burpees to get your mind off of the NQ?
No, I'm being sarcastic. Like, I have no choice to do burpees because it's that burn.
Oh.
And it takes my energy, so I have no energy after.
Yeah. All right, see if the market goes up to 830s now. Maybe not. Wow, this is a hot chop of a morning open here.
Mm-hmm.
This is just incredibly bad. You gotta be kidding me right now if this market moves. It's just not going in any one direction. It just goes up and then back down, up and then back down. Let's see what happens here. Pause? Yeah, hold on, guys. All right, we got a nice little push here. Maybe it'll go up to VWAP now. Can we get a little cooperation here with the NQ? Maybe one direction?
One direction.
Yeah, right?
No. There's a band.
The group, one direction, yeah. Come on, NQ. Do something here. Been a real chop of an open.
Sorry, excuse me.
Wow, what a pullback. What a pullback there. I don't know what's going to happen this morning here, guys. This market is just way too choppy.
Didn't Paul make a joke about Mondays and
Mondays
and stuff?
Yeah, Monday. I don't know about Mondays.
Mondays are predictable. Like it's like your ex texting you about at 4 a.m. Like, I'm emotional and unpredictable.
That's just the NQ every day. Emotional and unpredictable. Come on, NQ, do something.
That was funny.
Holy smokes.
That was facts.
This NQ today is just, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is just horrible. This is just despicable on the NQ's part here.
Yes, Ambi, I agree. Give us 835.
Yeah, 830 would be nice. 835. Let's see if we can hit that VWAP. It's getting close. Very close to that VWAP there. Next move to the upside could be that 860.
Yeah. Are you guys getting a lot of spam calls all of a sudden now? From like the most random numbers or area codes? Or is it just myself?
No, I get them every day.
Yeah. I stopped getting it for a while, and now that's all I've been getting since we went on the trip.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you sign up to anything?
No.
You're just trail stopping where you can. Sorry, babe. What are you saying?
Shooketh.
You were saying, babe?
No, I just said I'm shooketh.
What, that you're getting so many spam calls?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're popular. You're a very popular gal.
I'm just trail stopping when I care. Sorry. I used to go right when the market already.
This market is very inconsistent today. What's up, babe?
No, Sandy's saying that he refuses to go red when the market already gave him money. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what is happening here. This is just very crazy. We're now going to take out the sell side liquidity to the downside now, you think? Yeah, it hasn't even tapped that VWAP yet or taken the liquidity from the upside. So it's hard to say here. Market is just so unpredictable. 860 looks pretty good, but they could pull back and give us a lot of nothing. Let's see if it pushes here or if it closes. Let's see if it pushes back above VWAP would be nice. A move above VWAP would be good. Would be really good. Let's see what they do. Looks like they want to push it slightly here. They're pushing slightly down. Could be just a fake out before going higher. Looks like it worked. That fake out did happen. Now it's pushing to the upside, maybe 860. I don't think Johnny is not in any trades at the moment. Don't think so, at least. Oh yeah, he is in a short. Yeah, Johnny is in a short. Yeah, he's in this short right here. Unfortunately, it looks like he might get stopped. On a platter is looking for 771 area to do what, a long or a short? 835 will come, Mrs. Smooth. Yeah, it's gonna. Looks like it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit, but I'm in a short at the moment, and she doesn't have any trades on. ATR right now is 29, but we have a whole bunch of chop. A choppy 30 ATR. There it goes. We're stopped out on that short. Right now, I'd like to see some kind of consistency here. We have a possible short rejection area right around 870. So 870 could work as a good short area. We'll see, unless the market just starts to take off and go higher. We'll see what ends up showing its face around here. It's approaching that level with some good volume. Real strong volume right now. This thing looks like it wants to push really hard. We've got targets up in the 950s also. That thing could happen, could go.
Oh, Henry says feliz cumpleaños, Miss Smooth from Argentina, but I'm Venezuela.
What's up?
Henry says happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, from Argentina, but he's from Venezuela.
Oh, he's from Venezuela?
Thank you.
Looking for a TP at previous day's high, says Sambi. Where is previous day's high is right here. And it looks like they did rip it up to this, or they're going to rip it up to this area soon. 867. I do have a white line here. This white line here could act as a big resistance. We got to see how she reacts around this level, though. That level's at 870. Yeah, right now the longs are looking good. Look at the size of this opening on the MV wave. Looks like the longs are going to be more productive here. I would like to take if we could, I'd like to take a long trade around 811. Let's see if we can get that to hit. Longing? You're longing right now? Sambi, or you already went long? What's going on, Rafael Garcia? How you doing, man? Henry Ordonez, what's going on? She's still pushing. No trades for Johnny at the moment. You know, this thing is strong. We could get a rejection at 870. Would have moved back down to 812 is what I'm thinking. Watch this move here, but possibly could be a rejection around this level down to 812.
Wow.
Or it could go straight to the moon.
I'm surprised Johnny's not taking advantage of this.
He will, but just give him a moment. It was a very choppy open, so he got caught in two traps back to back. So this is chop fest of a morning open.
Mm-hmm.
You done for the day, Samby? Nice, man. What's up, Abel? Yeah, we're trying to make some money here, pay for that vacation. I'm sure the credit card bill is going to come due soon. All right, it's going. It is going. 860 got hit beautifully there on the MOAS. There's MOAS long. On the 1 minute. Beautiful hit. These two targets down here were hit perfectly. Right here and right here. And then this target here got hit perfectly. So I guess 3 for 3 on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's going. It's pushing hard right now. It seems like this thing wants to keep going. 850 could be a spot that they can use as support too. 850 looks like it's a possibility to the daily open. Watch that. This could start squeezing. Good old-fashioned Monday morning squeeze to the upside possibly too. Yeah, well, looks like the longs are going to be the way here this morning. When you get a curve here on the MV wave that looks something like this, that's a pretty aggressive, strong sign. It really is like a perfect 45-degree angle. And when you see that, it looks like the bulls are really in control of the entire situation here. So hopefully we do get an opportunity to get into these longs. Long limit order sitting open, says Samby. Waiting for a pullback down to 885. Yeah, I think we could even get a pullback down to 850, 850s. But we'll see. Not that I think, but I hope. I hope we can get a pullback back into the 850s. And maybe even as low down as the 812s. But 850s would be something too. It did show a lot of strength on the way up here. Manipulation coming soon. Greg says vacation is good. Is good. Now time to make money. Yeah. For sure.
I know you.
Yeah, because this tan's going to wear off, man. We need to make some more money to go on our next vacation.
That's so good.
Yeah. Do you guys think it's rude for someone to say a woman's age or to ask a woman her age?
Yeah.
Why is that rude? I never understood that.
Because they don't want to be reminded that they're getting old.
Really?
Yeah. It's not that it's rude, it's just like...
It's embarrassing for them?
I don't want to say it's embarrassing, it's kind of like... I mean, we want to be young forever.
Yeah, with women, I guess their beauty is one of their, what is that called? Their identities, right? Is that true?
Yeah, I think maybe when I turn 50, I'm not going to want to know my age.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding. It's irrelevant to me, but because I know it's part of life. But some women don't like it, and I respect that.
Getting older is part of life, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this morning's open was very difficult. Very, very difficult trades.
I think they get offended, is what I'm saying.
Women get offended?
When you say how old,
how old
are
you
or
is.
something. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. All right, let's see what we end up getting here. Market still looks pretty strong. They could pull this thing back. I don't know for what. Let's see if our overnight high is up here, 986. So we didn't hit 30K yet. We have not hit 30K, and we did take out the overnight low. What they do now is anyone's guess. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting the likes on the stream, that would be amazing. And see if the more likes you get, the more likes you hit, the more trades Johnny will take.
Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, Abel says no, it's not rude. A lot of minors pretending to be legal. Oh, it's pretending to be legal. Sam B says depends on the woman. These older ladies looking more beautiful than the 21-year-olds. Yeah, that's facts.
Is it rude to ask a Dominican Little League player their age?
No.
You don't remember that Dominican kid that was lying about his age to be in the Little League's World Championship?
No.
It was some Dominican kid. He was like 18 and talking about he was 12.
No.
He had fake papers.
That's funny.
Oye, tengo 12. Like he was like a grown man with a mustache, a beard, and kids and everything. He was playing Little League.
Sammy said, not that I'm looking for or lusting after them, just notice that the younger people sadly are on the drugs drinking time. Yeah, when we went to our oldest's middle school when she was there, they were displaying vaping things, and I'm like, this is middle school. Why are they talking about vaping?
Yeah, these kids are vaping already. It's crazy.
And the amount of machines they had, like the machines they had, that was from things that they confiscated from those middle schoolers. And I'm like, oh, these kids are, my goodness, I was
pretty
innocent back
ridiculous,
then.
Yeah, pretty ridiculous. Like at an early age.
Yeah.
My niece was telling me that they closed down a whole bunch of smoke shops in Texas because they were selling like that, like synthetic cannabis, and a lot of kids were getting mentally ill from it. Like they were losing brain cells to the point where like they were getting psychosis, and they were getting all types of like mental disorders, and it's so many kids and I guess in Texas and some other states that allow that have been getting like really bad issues from all this stuff. But thank God they made all those synthetics illegal. So yeah, they're growing. Kids are trying to grow up way faster than they ever have to be, and all that stuff is marketed towards kids too. That's the worst part.
They'll grow up fast in a bad way, like thinking that drugs and alcohol are the way to go.
Okay.
Sam B says, here's the manipulation. Yeah, facts.
Yeah, let's see if they find support here at the 850s. I think they could.
Rafael said yesterday it was the Dominican parade in New York City. Watched on YouTube. Nice. I'm gonna be honest.
Was it Dominican Independence?
I'm not gonna lie. My mom never told me. She usually tells me whenever it's the Independence.
I think it is in August.
I thought it was in the winter.
I think Dominican Independence is in August. I remember going to a few parades when I was younger.
Yeah. So at this point, I never know now. But when I was living in Jersey, I remember it was. I don't know when they celebrated it, but I knew Independence for DR was in the winter time.
Really?
Let me just Google this because I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in. I'm pretty sure it is in August, Dominican Independence Day.
It is February 27th.
Oh, is it? Oh,
It
that was
says
wrong.
Dominican Republic Independence Day celebrated annually on February 27th. So that's cool though. I like that they're doing it in the summer. I just wish I was there.
Yeah, it'd be very cold to do in the winter.
Why? So you can say, oh yeah, every 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, tigrazo. Greg said it was yesterday in New York City. Damn, I missed it.
And Sam B said, I met a student's mom the other day. She was 25, but I thought she was around my age. I'm 41.
Wow, she had a rough life.
He also said I entered a short, holding it to today's open for TP, hopefully. Yeah.
Really?
Oh, we're about to go.
We're looking at a small long right now on
Yeah,
Johnny.
okay, we're in a long.
We're in a small long at the moment.
Yeah. Greg says, yeah, it was yesterday in New York. Dang, man, I wish I was there. I've always, for my 33 years of living, I always wanted to go to a parade in New York for DR. I've seen the Puerto Rican one. I've seen, what else? And that's just one I know, but I've seen other people, like other nationalities
Mm-hmm.
in New York. I just have never been there for DR.
Really?
Yes, and I really want to go. I mean, come on. We're crazy.
Dominicans are very crazy.
Yeah.
That I will attest to.
When is Guatemalan Independence Day?
Who knows? You know, who cares? Not even Guatemalans care.
Sammy
Alright, we're
says,
getting a
come
strong
on,
pullback.
hit that today's open and queue and do it for Miss Smoothberg.
Yeah, she's about to take us out again. Did you forget it's Miss Smooth's birthday today, NQ?
Exactly. I think NQ has a personal issue with me.
Did you forget it's Miss Smooth's birthday?
Yeah, Rafael said it's February 27th. And Sam B says Puerto Rican parades are now toxic. Really?
Oh, they are so dangerous. There were girls getting sexually assaulted in Central Park. I remember that.
No, for real?
Yeah, that happened one of the years that I think I was there, if I'm not
Oh my
mistaken.
gosh.
Yeah. It's funny because growing up in Jersey during St. Patrick's Day, I'm Irish, and during the Puerto Rican Day parade, I'm Puerto Rican. Because we always go to all the parades.
Oh, I gotta
We used to
stop
go to
that.
all the parades.
Dang you, NQ.
We didn't go to all of them. We did miss that one with the colorful flag.
So did you ever go to DR parade?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. I went to one in Patterson. I didn't go to the one in New York City.
How are you gonna go and you're not even Dominican? And I can't even go.
I mean,
Maybe we should travel for the
I
day
had,
next year.
I don't know. Raphael says, "Happy birthday, Miss Smooth. You look young for your age." How do you know how old
Thank
she
you.
is?
I'm not gonna lie. There was one time someone that a client of his or potential client that he was when he was doing real estate, he thought that he was my dad.
No, no one ever thought
Yes,
that.
he did.
He was kidding.
No, he wasn't.
He was kidding.
I was laughing.
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe he was kidding. I have no idea. They might be trying to trap the longs right now. It would make sense if they were.
Right.
Yeah, it looks like longs are getting
I'm
trapped.
gonna find out if they do, like in Miami, they do parades for
In Miami?
countries. Yeah.
They do it
'Cause
what's
I feel
the
like it's
name?
always a Puerto Rican
Calle
parade.
Ocho.
Calle, what does that mean?
Calle Ocho is like a Cuban parade.
Oh,
Huge
yeah, 'cause
Cuban
there's
parade.
more Cubans there.
Hmm?
But technically, so are other countries coming to live into Miami. It's not just Cubans.
Yeah, I mean Venezuelans, Haitians.
Yeah.
You got everything. Dominican. You have everything in
Mhm.
Miami.
Technically,
New
here is
Yorkers.
also turning into different
Wow.
cultures too.
They just dumped it right now. Besides taking us out earlier, which very sad that
Oh,
she
we're
did.
about to go
But
in a long.
I don't know. Looks like they
Oh, no,
want.
no, short.
Yeah, looks like they want us to go in a short.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's too funny,
Don't
man.
start with me today.
NQ is too
Shit,
funny.
don't start with me any day.
Yeah, this is the other level that I was looking at here. This 813 level is a place that she could bounce from. That's actually a real a level I like a lot.
And Sam B says, sad man, now the women grab up on men at the Puerto Rican parades. Really?
Women grab up on men? Yeah, there's some real scandalous women.
They
Man.
try to film themselves making other women jealous. They're too much. Yeah, that's too much. I call it thoughtish tendencies.
Yeah, that's a real thing.
Sammy says we got the TP from today's open.
Johnny's
Come on, we're in a short.
Yeah, Johnny's looking for a move down to 801. Looks like he might get it.
Come on, don't pretend to go and then go the other way.
Yeah, right.
Oh my gosh, babe.
He just missed us by a
Babe?
tick. You saw that?
Yes.
You saw that, right?
I just said it.
Yo, how is that even possible?
I'm about to like manually get off of this
How
thing.
is that even possible? I don't even know. Like, how?
That made no sense.
How is that even how is that even
No,
a
I'm
thing?
sorry. I got off.
Are you serious?
I knew it was going to do
Don't-
that. I knew it was going to do that.
Don't do that. You're messing it up.
I already did.
Okay.
Sorry, it keeps doing it.
Then just go short again.
Huh?
You're not supposed to touch the
Oh, I'm not?
No.
Oh. Because I've done it before.
Okay.
I'm not going in it now.
Yeah. This is just crazy. Can't believe it just missed us.
Yeah, then watch it go
Mhm.
now to stop you out.
Toxic NQ's a toxic Puerto Rican girl. You're funny.
No,
Oh yeah.
goodness.
It's gonna come right back down to 800. It's crazy. Or maybe not. Who knows? That was insane. All right, right now we're consolidating the VWAP, which is obviously NQ's favorite thing to do. What's up?
Un segundo.
Okay. We got a real tight, a little spot here because we have daily open and we have the VWAP all lining up pretty closely to each other. Sell limit order placed at 875, Sambi. Nice, man. All right, she's having a hard time there. Could end up moving right back down to that 800 level. Still like the longs better. see if we can get this move here. I was really thinking that this market would go higher. But obviously with a pullback first, the pullback came and missed our TP there by not even a tick. It was literally on the line. That's real unfortunate. Let's see what happens here. They could end up reversing this thing right now too. Having a hard time. Let's see if they can get past the 860s. Good thing is you are all green. Rumo's long. Oh. He's long the NQ. Yeah, I like to build along here. Johnny was short on this and he got wicked. Not even wicked. That isn't even a miss by a tick. That was like on the line. Such a dirty move. Yeah, what a move here. Crazy. She bounced real nicely off that VWAP. Let's see if they continue going higher. It did not last very long down here at the 800 level at all. Making liquidity to go to 30K, that's a possibility. Yeah. I'm thinking right now I could definitely try to hit this 900 orb, 1 hour orb high. Could go for that. Above that, we've got the overnight high there at 986. So we'll see here. Fortunately, Johnny was short and got missed by not even a tick. Are they going to play this game here? Oh. Wow. Italian what?
Pasta with something.
Okay.
Look at it. It's so cute.
What's that?
I'm so, yeah, I feel so loved.
Oh, you are loved.
Yeah. She threw like a miniature party in a room. You
That's
can't
awesome.
read the card.
That's
It's
so
not
beautiful.
serious again. Oh, she made a miniature
Bow and arrow?
Bow and arrow.
Why?
Because of Inuyasha.
Oh, I didn't know that.
She's so cute, man. Guys, I'm very, 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 very
You are.
blessed.
You're very
so
blessed, and
loved.
so are we. We're very blessed.
I feel so loved.
Yep.
You can come in, baby. It's fine.
We wanted 30K last night. We didn't get it, but we still hit TP on the Moaz long. Good job, man. Hood, Robinhood launches zero-fee crypto trading for UK investors via Bitstamp UK, offering more than 50 cryptocurrencies. Oh, that's good because they still have a long on Hood. Hopefully that long on Hood does get some upside. Let's see if it got any. Has not gotten a move yet today.
Thank you, baby. Oh, she gave me a little Jesus hug. Thank you. Oh, these are cute. I think I can make this into a keychain.
Hmm?
Although I don't have keys.
You don't have keys. That's right. You don't. You got your Tesla credit card though.
Sammy is funny. He's like, is there a Cash App or Venmo we can birthday bless her to buy a Subway sandwich?
Subway sandwich. That's too funny. How did you guys know she likes Subway?
I was gonna say, remember that $5 footlong commercial, and then they kept saying it's not really a footlong.
Yeah, you're getting like
Half
10 and a
a-
half inches if you're lucky.
Exactly.
It's called shrinkflation. I told you about that. All right. She is just kind of bouncing around in here. Stop me out again. Good thing you got out of that trade.
Yeah, because they kept doing it.
Mhm.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you, baby.
That was the dirtiest. That was the dirtiest trade I've ever
Get ready
seen.
for the day.
That was the dirtiest trade. Jersey Mike's is much better. Yeah, they do. I mean, you can't mess when it comes
I
to
keep
subs.
hearing that.
When it comes to subs, you can't mess with a Jersey deli.
I keep
And
hearing
Jersey Mike's
is
might be the
good.
closest thing. What's up, Ed?
I keep hearing Jersey Mike's is better than Subway.
Do they have Boar's Head? Because
Who's Boar's Head?
Boar's Head's is some of the best deli meat.
Oh, I've never heard of Boar's Head.
What's up, come up? Yeah, we're back, man. We're back. Yeah, Boar's Head is some of the best deli meat. Turkey, roast beef, like all the stuff they make is really good.
Oh, I can't do it like that.
Hmm. I can't believe how close that thing got to our TP, man. That's just it's sickening to my stomach. Very sickening. When you have a market that moves like this just sucks.
I mean, I kind of knew it was going to happen, though, because it's been doing that, like, 4 times in a row?
Yeah.
It's kind of like when you rock, paper, scissors somebody and they keep doing the same move. You know it's going to happen again and again.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Kamal. Yeah, it was a great vacation. Felt weird not being in our setting while we were away, so it feels good to be back.
Yeah, it does.
Rai said oil did not fill the opening gap last night.
Oil?
Yeah. Truthfully, I can't tell if it's a long or a short day because it's going everywhere.
Yeah, because it looks like it wants to try to head to 30K, but at the same time, they could be using that as like a way to fake the market out so people go long. For traders to set their longs and then just dump it. I mean, that's what I'm thinking they could end up doing. Yeah, they just turned it around again. Profit taken on that.
See, like now it's going down, man.
Yeah. Yeah, after they took our stop loss,
Yeah.
it's going down. And now it's going to end up hitting
Frustrating.
800. To clean up that wick at 800. This wick here has imbalances, I'm pretty sure. So they're coming down to clean up that wick. And then from there, maybe it's a good bounce to the upside. How can we give? Sam B? Oh, you're funny, man. Don't worry about giving to us, man. If you want to give to Mrs. Smooth's nail fund or whatever she needs
Nail
money
fund?
for, nail fund. I don't know. I really don't
I was
know.
gonna say no. Just pray for me always. It's the biggest blessing.
Yeah. You could always do a super chat if you feel uncomfortable doing that, and
What's a super chat?
we just give the streamer a kind of like an appreciation tip.
Oh,
Just
you know what would be great? More likes.
more likes would be awesome.
on the video.
Yeah.
Send to friends and family.
Yeah. I'm taking Mrs. Smooth out for ice cream later, so she's excited about that. Our bell's done for the day. Down 4K is slightly red, but manageable. Oof. Sorry, buddy. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. Watching a quick short on the ES, Paul. Yeah. I'm looking here for a little bounce right back up.
Oh, Maddie says good day, y'all.
Hey, what's up, Patty?
Trading. All right. Have a good day.
Patty's here?
No.
Oh, Maddie.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Maddie?
Yeah, saying good day, y'all. Happy trading.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well,
Thank you.
thank you. Hopefully today's a good day for you as well.
Mm-hmm.
No, this trading and Q thing is not.
It's not easy. And Q is a very, very slippery asset to trade, man. She goes one way and then turns right around. It's almost like you're better off with the NQs just trading the opposite of what she's doing. That is the best way to trade her.
Yeah.
But what is keeping me right here with a bullish tendency is this massive green wave that we're seeing right now in the 1 minute. Again, the market could really want more upside. The thing with the NQ is just timing. You just never know when she's going to pop or she's going to
Yeah, exactly.
continue to grab more liquidity to the
It's like
opposite way.
She has a moment where she goes in and out like a straight kind of, and then there's a moment where she goes straight down.
We're trading the
Straight
NQ
up.
futures, Nasdaq futures. Yeah, go ahead, babe. Sorry.
No, I'm just saying she's, in the nicest way possible, she's bipolar.
Oh, yeah. Bipolar's putting it nicely.
Yeah. That was funny.
What's that?
Your sarcasm.
Oh, I'm being serious, man. She's the worst.
You said we're trading futures?
We're trading Nasdaq futures. Yes, we are. Yeah, this was a good place for a bounce here at the 850 level again. Let's see if it'll hold.
See, like now she's doing that sideways thing again.
Yeah.
And then give it like a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And go straight to a direction. If we go into trade,
Yeah.
it's going to go the opposite way now. Like it's just
Yeah.
predictable.
They keep wanting to attack the 900 level, which is that 1 hour orb. And they need to break above it if they really want a chance at breaking 30K. You need to get and use that 900 as support. Yeah, this 800 level here stood really nicely. Now let's see if the 900 level is going to be the next frontier. Buyers are still in here. Accumulating positions. Let's see if there's anything that Johnny sees that he likes. Not yet.
Paul said Trump has privately told senior aides he may be willing to
Speak up, baby. I can't hear you.
Trump has privately told senior aides he may be willing to quote unquote walk away from the Iran war without a nuclear deal if Iran fully reopens
The Strait of Hormuz?
Strait. Yeah.
Wow.
Paul.
That's as much as of that's as close as you're gonna get to Trump admitting defeat without admitting defeat, because he's gonna say we won massively. We got the Strait of Hormuz open. Well, the Strait of Hormuz was open before the war too. So we're basically going back to the status quo as before the war, but it just cost us what, maybe $100 billion,
Yeah.
if not more, this war so far. So we just basically paid $100 billion to just be at where we were before, and Iran still has their nukes. Good job. That's a win. I'm looking for a pop here to 900 again. I think we can get it soon. I think 900 is coming up. Choppy price action here is getting on my nerves a bit. Oh, Sam B sent you a $20 super chat, babe. Look at that.
Oh, thank you.
What do you wanna splurge on? Guac on your burrito?
Yeah, babe.
Or get you guacamole on your burrito, baby.
You're so funny.
Thanks, Sam B. I appreciate
Yeah,
you.
thank you, Sammy.
I'll make
That was really
sure-
sweet of you.
I'll make sure I give her more than $20 worth of value from the stream. What do you want? Guac, babe?
8 million.
You want guac?
Yep. I'm so kind.
Yeah, we are looking for a move higher here, but not seeing anything yet. Thinking 900 could be the way. It's just accumulating here. We bounced off real sharply from the VWAP and the 800 level, 801 to be exact. I'll never forget that 801 level in my life. That was so dirty.
See, like just like I told you, it's gonna go sideways for a while
Yeah,
and then skyrocket.
accumulation. Oh, you're good, Sam B. We believe me, man. We're not here to ask you guys for any donations, but if you feel it in your heart, I'm sure Mrs. Smooth appreciates it.
Yeah.
I took a long. Yeah, she does. What's up, Joey? I took a long off my level. Didn't even watch the chart. Just set it up, limit, and it hit the TP. Good job, man. That was beautiful. Great to hear.
Paul said another joke is really funny. He said, my girlfriend broke up with me, so I took her wheelchair. Guess who came crawling back?
Oh, that's so funny, Paul. Huh?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Guess who came crawling back?
That's funny.
Reminds me of that dog from Family Guy who had his back legs don't
Oh
work.
yeah.
He just uses his front legs.
Or was it the dog?
It's the dog. It's the old man's dog. The next door neighbor who has like he's in a walker.
Yeah.
His dog crawls on his front legs,
That's
and his
funny,
back
man.
legs are always dragging.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking. Didn't he one time in a clip try to play fetch with him?
Oh, I don't know, probably,
And I
but
think
it's
he threw
so
it at his
funny.
head or something.
Probably. I always give it on compulsion. That's thank you, Sambi.
Thank
Really appreciate
you.
that.
It's really sweet, man.
Did we celebrate this weekend? We actually just came back from celebrating it. We were in Aruba in Curacao. We celebrated our honeymoon and her birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And tonight we're going to go out for some ice cream with the family.
With the kids, yeah.
Yeah, now it's really tightening up here. Getting real tight here on this move. Kamal, thank you so much. Kamal gave you a donation too, baby.
Thank you. You guys really don't have to do that. I appreciate it. I really do.
Yeah.
But you really don't have to. Thank you, guys.
For sure. Very appreciative of you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, babe, can you do me a favor? From your YouTube channel, can you check the link that's pinned in our chat and go to Profit Matrix and see if it's working for you? Because people have been asking to have access to
What link?
our Google. Okay,
Oh, where it says
dependent-
Discord and
Yeah, click on that. Go to the one that says Profit Matrix, and let me know if you get access to it.
where it shows you the pricing and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's there. It looks like this, right? It looks like
Yeah.
that. Okay, perfect. Yeah, for some reason, people are asking me to have access to the old school way of doing it with the Google Sheet.
Oh.
And I'm not sure what's going on with them or where they're getting that from. Maybe an old video. All right, just pulling back here for the third time.
Oh, bye, Sambi.
Sambi's out of here.
Yeah, he said
When's
have
school
a good
start?
day trading fam. Have to get kids ready for checkup.
All right, cool, man. Take
Cool.
care. Thanks for being
Yeah.
here with us. All right, she's pulling back now. Yeah, this market here is just going sideways. Very hard, very difficult to understand what she wants.
Oh.
I don't think Johnny has
Maybe it's
taken
in
another
me.
trade. He's still waiting. Back to VWAP. Could not break up to 900. Shooting down sharply now. Look at that.
It won't-
Maybe now to come to 800 because it didn't come to 800 earlier. So it looks like 800 is probably going to be a certainty. She only came down to 815, 814, no, 815 on the NQ, but she came down to 801 on the MNQ. Pretty interesting. Can I check the main? Yeah, let me see. All right, so we got Joey's going to show us his trade setup that he put through. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I'm in a short.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So looks like here we had Joey went long at 812, I think. Is that where you went long at? 812? Yeah, you did. You went long at 812 and you sold at 852. Perfectly, man. That was a really nice hit. Good for you, my brother. On this same wick here, we got missed by not even a tick on our TP. This dumb wick right here. Great job, Joey. Very proud of you, man. Look at that, guys. That was a beautiful, clean entry. Bang, bang.
Yeah, for real.
Real
Come on,
nice.
man.
Are
Don't
we
be
are
near
we in
it.
that short?
Go past it.
Can we get it?
Come on.
Okay, let's get 800 this time.
Remember, not
Don't do it
missing
again to
anything.
us. Don't do that dirtiness again like you
If
did
I knew
earlier.
Jiu-jitsu, I jiu-jitsu NQ. Oh, okay, good.
We got it?
That's good,
Oh,
yeah.
I just missed it. I didn't show people. Good job, babe.
Yeah, good job.
Only
Oh,
down.
you didn't? You said you missed it?
No, I didn't show them because I didn't have it on the screen.
Oh.
Did a great
I was
job.
gonna say, trades maxing said hit my biggest trade ever today. Let's go. Good job.
Yeah, nice move. Let's see what happens here. We got a big green wave on the 1 minute, but is that going to be enough to support us to the back to the upside to hit the 900 level, maybe even the 30K level? I don't know. That was a real nice hit there, though.
Babe, why is your screen like that
Where?
on YouTube?
On YouTube?
Yeah.
What's wrong with my screen?
It's kind of like the mobile version where when you're trying to show your stuff, like what's going on, it's just really small.
Isn't that Joey's trade I was showing? Are you
I
up
think
to?
so.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Are you up to the moment live? Like click live on the bottom left.
No, I am live. Oh wait, am I? Oh no, never mind.
Yeah, I was just showing Joey's trade.
Oh, I'm like mine was backed up. Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, they came back down to take out this 800. Now that they've got 800, will they go to 900 now? So this is the accumulation. This is the manipulation, and maybe now we get a distribution back up. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it just rolls over. It's the power of tree. Like your boy ICT says. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam. Oof, waterfall. Maybe bounce from here and move back up. I don't know.
Yeah, I gotta get this call because my family keeps calling me.
Your family's
Sorry,
calling you? The
give me
nerve of
1
them. The nerve of these people.
If I don't answer now, they're gonna keep calling.
Yeah, it's okay, baby. Go.
Sorry.
All right, see if we can end up getting a bounce from here. See if we can go back up to get 900. Your students are learning? Oh, yeah, that was great, Joey. I'm going to be a rich trader, and I'm going to be like, yeah, I'm rich because of Smooth Trader. No, you're not rich because of me. You're rich because you actually put your plans into effect, man. There's a lot of people that I've tried to help when I was in a broker in real estate, and only a small percentage of people actually took what I said and implemented it. But the remainder of them didn't. They would just complain that they weren't getting enough business. So the funny thing is the ones that do well end up thanking me. And I'm like, you did all the work. I mean, I gave you the instructions. I could have put it up on a billboard. But people don't listen and they don't want to put in the work. So if you put in the work, dude, that's all on you. I used to tell them that I can't take credit for their wins and I can't take responsibility for their losses either. Because it's all on them. But good job, either way. Don't want to get on a soapbox, but great job. Looks like MOAS right now is coming in. Is it going to confirm? In the next 10 seconds, we'll know if it confirms or not. Looks like they might want to come back down to 718. That would be something. Let's see what Johnny does here. Looks like they want more downside. Yeah, sellers are piling in. The MOAS is showing its strength right now. Yeah, but this is definitely a level that I could see getting some support. I could see this level getting some support. There were some real strong buyers here earlier. I think it could get some support, maybe even come down just a little bit more, maybe to the overnight low, 770s, but I think they could find some support here to bring it back up to 900. Sorry guys, I had to refresh my page here because I was trying to put on some, yeah, now it comes up, right? I was trying to put on some trades here earlier and it wasn't showing up, but now it's showing up. Yeah, let me put these on now. I would like to see a long from here. A stop loss on this, I would probably put it, if it goes under here, then I really wouldn't like it anymore. TP at 900. This could be completely off, and it could be a complete dump from here on end. But maybe we get a little bounce. I really shouldn't be trading against the MOAS. I really shouldn't. It might actually. This is a paper trade, by the way. Let me just an idea I have here. Could get a little bounce, maybe move right back at the 900. Then that move down. So now they're squeezing this thing. Real strong move though. So I wonder what Johnny thinks. Oh, Johnny's short. Johnny's short. Hold on. Hold your horses. Johnny is short. Johnny's short down to 753. Exactly where I have my stop loss. That's crazy. So Johnny might get his day in the sun here. Yeah, market is not pushing right. Market is not pushing back up to 900 yet. I think there was a good chance here at this white line to see it, but are we going to get it? That is the question. Right now, market's looking strong. Back in the green on this paper trade. Yeah, looks like they may want to come back up to test this 870s maybe. Bull trap maybe. This could be a bull trap here with a move right back down. We'll see just in a moment. The market likes that level down in the 720s, 720s here. The MOAS likes the 720s. Johnny likes the 750s, I think it was. Yeah, 750s. So we've got some signals that are pointing in the opposite direction to the downside. This paper trade, though, I do like back up to 900. I don't know. Didn't expect Johnny to go short there, but he did. This could be a squeezer. Take care, Joey. Got to go back to work? Okay. Appreciate you stopping in, man. The tide has turned. Any rallies will be short-lived. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get massive chop. We've been having massive chop. Friday we had massive chop. Today it looks like we had a real choppy open and then no continuation. But we'll see. We bounced off the overnight low. Big orders down there, 770s. Are they going to come back to sweep it one more time? That's usually the dirty stuff they do. They come back one more time, sweep, and then go. Sometimes they do. Sometimes it's just V-shape. You guys be the judge. This one's tough. V-shape looks likely, but at the same time, could also be a bull trap. Johnny says he thinks it's a bull trap. Yeah, sellers have not stopped here with the sell pressure. Sellers are still trying. We need to get above the VWAP there at 840 in order to reclaim the orb. She cut through that VWAP like a hot knife through butter, though, on that way down. And I'm sure that we left behind some imbalances. Let's take a quick look. No, not really. Not on this time frame, at least. Yeah, we do have one all the way up here to 824. Let's look on a 5-minute. I don't know. We'll see. Right now we're just getting some chop. Oh, okay. A little bit of a pop there. Could get stopped out here. Johnny could get stopped out. It's been a rough Friday, rough Monday for Johnny. This could be a bull trap. Yeah, this momentum wave came down very quickly. Super quick. There's a chance here for Johnny still. Uh-oh. Indecision candle here. This yellow candle is very indecisive. If the next candle closes green, we could get a power long. If the volume kicks in. There it goes. Johnny's out. He's out of that trade. Alright, he's pushing back to the upside. Let's hope we get some continuation now. Maybe some clean moves. Finally. Is that Luna? Paul says he tried to train a couple people who offered to pay me very well, but they wouldn't not follow my instructions. They saw the market their own way and kept losing. The market doesn't care about opinions. That is very true. That is very true. The market does not care about opinions. It just cares about who's in control and not trading against it. Yeah, it looks like the market's getting strong here again. Could get a rally up. Guys, let's see if we can get some likes in let's get our likes up. See if we can get this push back up above the 840s. That is the VWAP area. Strong pullback. Yikes. What is that about?
Sorry.
Yeah, she is a temptress here. What are you guys thinking? Are we going to swivel back down? Or are we going up? Yeah, he got you into a short on the way while you were away, and
Oh, no, went the
it just got stopped out, and now it's going down. This is a very, very difficult market here. They're playing with a lot of the order flow. They're allowing trades to go in one direction, just enough for people to commit, and then turning it around. This is one of those markets that's very difficult. It's not a very trendy market. Johnny knew something we didn't know since he got out at the right time. Wow, look at this. It's moving. It's coming back down to test that overnight low. Johnny got stopped on that last trade. It's unfortunate because I do think it's going to go, where his target was. But we'll see. Man, what a market. What a market. We're double bottoming here. Maybe we're making a W pattern and then go higher, because the V-shaped recoveries are very, I'm not say very elusive or not that common, but it's more common to see a double bottom or sometimes a liquidity sweep. Let's see if we get some moves here right back up. Let's see. A lot of sell pressure though. It's looking strong. Sellers are not looking bad. Let's take a quick look at the delta here. Yeah, this looks kind of like a delta trap on that candle. Yeah, it could be that move that we're looking for. Let's see if it'll finally start to go.
Sorry.
Sleepy, babe?
Yeah, I haven't woke up.
No, Johnny did not hit TP. I'm sorry, babe?
Nothing.
Yeah, Johnny did not hit TP on that last one. We got stopped out. Oil has a big open gap from the open, but NVIDIA can't hold 219, so we're heading down, says Ryan. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, right. A lot of strength to the downside right now. Every little pop here is being sold off. There it goes. And it's gone. It's gone. And hitting that overnight low again. Okay. Looks like Johnny is short on this one. Let's hope it works out for him. Okay. He is short on this trade down to 689. Let's see if that one works out. Yeah. This could be liquidity sweep and then a move back higher too. It's another thing I'm thinking about. Looks like we're getting some decent buy pressure in here. Let's see if they'll push it back up to at least maybe sweep this 820s. See if they can break the 820 level. Buyers are starting to come back in with the volume. Yeah. Are they going to hold the 780s? What do you guys think? This white line was supposed to be major support. After they double bottomed here and on the second one swept the liquidity, maybe now they move higher. Is Johnny in a trade? He is in a short. On one of his accounts, he is in a short. On the other one, he's not doing so well today, but on this one, he's doing all right. I hope he does okay on this one. We went from green to red on the MV wave. Is this going to be a continuation, or are we going to get support here?
I hope we get support.
You think it's support?
I said I hope it's support.
Oh, but you're not in a trade right now, though, right?
No.
This area's got some potential here for a pop.
it's doing the sideways thing again.
Yeah, sideways. I love sideways.
Mm-hmm.
You love sideways.
Oh, you know, I heard they're trying to do a White Chicks 2 movie.
Really?
That's what I think I heard.
I hope it's the same actors.
Yeah, me
It
too.
better be. If not, it would be a waste.
Yeah. I know one of them, I forgot what his name was, but he doesn't want to do the whole body spray paint thing
No?
again because it took like 8
Oh, I heard.
hours.
Yeah, it took forever for them to get in
Yeah.
those. Yeah, well, it depends how much they get paid for it, because I think they'll get paid a lot.
Yeah,
That movie would be amazing if they don't like mess it up with all political correctness nowadays, and that would mess it up.
I don't know, like all those Wayans brothers are really funny.
Oh, they're hilarious. All of them were funny.
Yeah, every single one of them. And I'm wondering who they got it from.
Yeah, what kind of household was that? They all were funny.
I saw an interview and they said that they just obviously there's some that are less and like a little bit more serious.
Yeah.
But I was just always cracking jokes to somebody.
It was Marlon.
It's like 5 brothers. Right?
Yeah, Keenan. It was I think Kimberly was the girl. Damon.
They had a sister?
Yeah.
My goodness. I thought it was all brothers.
No.
Imagine being the sister in that.
In that family?
There, and then seeing, I'm in a short.
Are you?
Imagine
Nice.
it's a small one.
Yeah. Down to 716 now.
771.
770.
Yeah. Imagine being a girl and
In
with
that
a lot
family?
of brothers.
Yeah. I don't know if their family was like the Jackson 5 where the dad was like, no, tell me a joke. You got to be funny. Imagine.
Yeah.
Okay, sellers are pushing still. It's like they're not allowing this price to go back up. Let's see if they break the 770s.
And then again, we got close to it and then went the other way.
Yeah. It does seem to do that a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what was that about? Okay. All right. We're getting a little push now.
Go. I wanted to say order filled.
Order failed. Imagine. She's looking for lower.
Dang, how you gonna graze it and then go back?
Because it loves doing that. That's why. It loves
Come on,
doing
give
it.
me an order filled.
Yeah, who knows? They might just be trying to trap shorts. Everything's a trap.
You need to lower your volume.
No, I turned it off. Yeah. This just looks like complete trash here. This sideways move. Definitely building up some liquidity.
Sideways and alley-ooping.
What's that?
I was gonna say it's going sideways and alley-ooping.
Yeah, that sideways thing is just crazy. Yeah, now we're getting a pretty aggressive red wave now in the 1 minute too. You got your TP?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Why
look at
didn't
that.
you say what it filled?
I don't know. Do you have your volume on? I
Yeah.
haven't heard your
I
volume
don't
all
have my
day.
headphones because I thought this.
Oh.
Duh.
More else came on the 5 minute candle. Says
That's so funny.
Ed, is this a Johnny trade? Yeah, Johnny's in a trade right now. He's in. He just had a. My wife just had a short with Johnny, and I have a short right now down to 695 on this one. A lot of sell pressure at the moment. Markets are moving.
I kind of want to do chicken parm today.
What, babe?
I kind of want to do chicken parmesan.
Chicken parm?
Yeah.
Really?
Something Italian.
Lucid's down. Uh-oh.
It is?
I don't know. My wife's trading Lucid right now. What do you mean by down? Their website is down? My screen is not showing a long. My screen's showing a short. Yeah, we're getting a red wave on the 1 minute. 5 minute, 8 minute has a red wave. 15 minutes still green. Pretty thick red wave too. Hey, baby.
Hmm?
She needs you, baby.
You mean the tangler?
No, for your hair. Or like when you want to, what's it called?
Curling iron?
Yeah.
Oh, heat protectant.
Yeah, hair protector.
Yeah, your sister has, baby. Ask her.
Okay.
It should be in her drawer.
She's too funny. Are we going to get a continuation down or are we getting a pop? Huh. Yeah, we swept that liquidity twice.
Oh, shoot.
You okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Just so you know. Wait.
All right, I'm back. We're back. All right, are we going to hold it overnight low as support for the third time, or are we just going to crack right down to it?
Crackety crack, crack, crack.
I don't know. Don't know. Doesn't really look like much support just yet. Yeah, yeah. These buys and sells are all over the place. What, babe?
I'm just singing a song.
See if they keep going. Johnny is looking for a lower here, maybe down to 700 or so. Some pretty strong buyers here in this area. I'm sellers here in this area, so I'm hoping they continue with the sell pressure. We're looking for 749, 750s, maybe. All right, here we're getting a push. Very nice push. See if they could bring it down past the 750s. That looked like a bull trap there for a moment. Let's see if they'll break the 750 level.
This is just sounds so messed up.
What happened, babe?
I might ruffle some feathers from others. Not people here, but like, whatever.
You gonna ruffle feathers, babe?
Yeah, it's
Take it easy there.
It's really funny.
What happened?
For us, it says being a liberal isn't just about being stupid. It's about showing the world how proud you are to be stupid.
Alright, funny.
Just like.
But I'm a liberal. What you trying to say?
Oh goodness, the things that we follow, babe.
You're funny.
Oh, never mind. It was suggested.
Alright, get that bounce at 750. Or you're not done yet. Again, a little bounce at 750. There were some buyers that are stacked at 750. Are sellers going to sell into them here at 750 still, or are they going to give up? Buyers are trying to pop from 750, but is it gonna hold? There was just a long order on the screen. Blue is long. I don't think there was a long order on the screen, Chris. But I might be. Let me see. Maybe we're talking about a different account. No, this is the same account that's I've been showing you guys for a while now. I don't know why it blew. Maybe you're talking about this screen. On here I had a long earlier, but this was a paper trade. This was a paper trade. Yeah, they're rejecting the overnight low. It's getting rejected. So it looks like a good chance we could come down and hit that 700. There it goes.
Oh, you're in one?
Yeah, Johnny, on a different account, Johnny's short.
Oh.
What's up, Safe? Yeah, man, I was away on vacation with the wife for a little bit, but we're back.
We are
Yeah, we're back and better than ever.
No, there's a meme where you say, "We're back. We are back."
We're so back.
Hmm?
We're so back.
Yeah.
So currently holding a short down to 700 area. The market went from being extremely strong to now being very weak. And it's about to be 12 o'clock soon here. After 12, not a lot of good things happen. You're a millionaire since we left? Really? On my blown account size? Really? Yeah, we went to Aruba and then we went to Curacao. It was an island right next to Aruba. And it was really nice. It was our honeymoon, delayed honeymoon.
Yeah.
And it was also my wife's birthday that we celebrated both.
We loved
Speak up a little bit, babe.
I know Aruba is still really nice, but we loved Curacao better.
Yeah, Curacao was more our speed. Really loved it. All right. Let's see what the market wants to deliver here, whether it's more downside or it's going to rip.
Babe, do you think you can make that red sauce today?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll make the chicken then and the pasta.
Gotcha, baby. Johnny's looking for 700s.
Curacao, the people are similar vibes to DR, but I would say, in my opinion, I would say the driving is not as crazy as DR, because DR, they don't care.
They don't play with their driving.
Yeah, they don't play with their driving. They'll go left, right, up, down. They don't care.
Dump it, NQ.
But the people were really nice.
Yeah, people were awesome. Yeah, but the beaches, I've never seen anything so beautiful as the beaches in Curacao, guys. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, it's just, you gotta Google it or watch a YouTube video on it or something, and it's still not as good. But I'm telling you, when you go there, it's just like you're in another world, otherworldly. The water's so clear. It's just,
It's so beautiful,
Yeah.
my goodness.
all right, we're looking for a move to the downside here, down to 700 possibly. But it is just kind of choppy right now. Looking like it wants to possibly push back up and break the overnight low.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's attempting to hit that overnight low there. Getting a little aggressive though to the upside. Hoping that's just a fake out.
Babe, I think I'm gonna call it.
Okay, yeah, I'm only gonna be here a little bit longer too.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Guys, hit the likes for Mrs. Smooth's birthday.
Thank you guys for everything. You guys are amazing, and I really hope you guys end on green.
Live long and prosper.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Oh, you got it, baby.
No, I hope you guys
Happy
end on green.
birthday
Oh my gosh.
to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. We'll sing to you later, babe. Happy birthday, Mrs. Smooth.
Happy birthday to you. Hey. All right, guys.
Take care, baby.
Have fun. I'll clean all this up. I just want to take a shower because I feel like a nasty.
Really? Oh, you didn't shower from the gym yet?
I feel disgusting.
Okay.
Just slow my records, which is not fun. I also have to finish working.
Okay, babe. Yeah, looks like markets are trying to push back right back up. Back above the overnight low, and this level here was supposed to be support earlier. If they flip it and get on top of it, it's gonna moon. Market may want to go back up. Yeah, they're pushing it. Let's see if they get rejected here at the 780s. And buyers are trying to break back above 780. $15 looking pretty strong now. And they're ripping it. Looks like they want to take that, the VWAP again. Yeah, we're back above that area of support resistance now. Looks like they might make that move to 800. Now we got to hit at 808. Now comes the short squeeze, possibly. Keep your eye open for that move right back up. Man, what a chop today. Maybe now it goes for 900. Still got the VWAP at 834. We got some targets down to 700, so I'm not sure if it wants that VWAP or if it's just a bull trap there before dumping it further down. It could be shooting up. We'll see. VWAP's at 834. Maybe the NQ wants to hit the VWAP there before making a decision. We'll see who's actually in charge. Red wave on, on the 1 minute, green wave on a 15-second. VWAP right above us at 834. Buyers absorbing, sellers absorbing. This is a critical level at 800. Let's see who ends up taking control. Sellers are pushing pretty hard here. Any chance of continuation? Maybe, maybe. Dump it, NQ, dump it. Dump it, NQ. Dump it, NQ. Okay. All right, NQ. Yeah, sellers got pretty strong here in these last couple candles, but are they going to hold? Chris wants him to dump it. Covered 3 shorts in a row, now looking for a long, says Paul. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty choppy market because we got green on the 15-second, red on the 1. Looks like it does want to go higher. It wants to try to VWAP. Yeah, buyers are starting to squeeze. And we got that green diamond now showing. We got a green diamond on the 15-second just now. Looks like buyers are starting to pile in here pretty strong. VWAP's going to get tapped here at 834. Nice move. Yeah, that was a pretty clean move. Now it looks like buyers are definitely getting stronger. Let's see if they'll push a little more. There they go. Maybe now they'll start to squeeze the shorts. Got the 15-minute orb at 841. Daily open at 850. I think that 850 level is a little more promising. We got the 834 level. See if it starts squeezing now. There it goes. There it goes. Market's looking for that daily open at 850. Good push. All right, we took out the VWAP. Now we're going to take out the daily open, possibly at 850. If it doesn't go, and then we could end up falling all the way back down to 700s. Johnny was short down to 700. He might get stopped here in the 80s if it keeps going. 29,880. There's a good chance they may want 900 too. We missed 900 earlier, and at this point now, it could hit that overnight high. It's a very good possibility there. There's Johnny with me. Johnny's hanging out. Yeah, market may want the 860s. You riding us up to 30K, Raphael? Check your market for maize corn. The white corn is a result of 22 years of development, known for its delicate texture, exceptional sweetness, and kernel pop right off the cob when you taste the bite. What is that? Some genetically modified corn? Moonshot, please, says Ryan. I just noticed I have a shield on my user account. It made it to the big leagues, big time. Yeah, you are, bro. You're Ryan is a certified moderator and host of the Asia Open. If you guys haven't checked out Ryan yet, he's killing it on the Asia Open. Go please support him. He gets on usually between 6 and 8 p.m. You'll get the notification if you guys have notifications on for this channel. But right now we are looking for this move into the 900 area probably. But the trade I'm currently in right now that Johnny has is a short down to the 689 region. But we ripped it up pretty hard here. So unfortunately, you might get stopped out on this one. Hope not. Hope not. Guys, when trading evals or trading your accounts, make sure to always put into your daily risk settings the limit you want to make on a day. So if you have a 30-40% consistency, make sure you calculate how much that is. That way you don't end up having to overtrade and make more money than you're supposed to before passing your eval or before getting a payout. Okay. She's having a little bit of a hard time here at the daily open. I was expecting that, but I think she could still rip through, maybe hit the 860s, 870s before falling, if she does fall at all. We've completely taken this green momentum wave that we had earlier, it turned it red. Now red is turning back into green possibly here. So it's been, like I said, a chop of a morning. Very difficult here. Not easy at all. Things are turning up. We have some spots here that could act as support. We've got this level right here. This could act as support on the way down. We've also got this level now that I would say would be better support. This would be one area that she could pop from. This could be another area she could pop from. Now to the upside, there is this level here that I would watch her. Watch 871. That could be a spot for a reversal down. Yeah, you guys are having fun? Yeah, I know. I was on there last night too. I've been trading a 15-minute orb, but man, today is choppy. Yeah, today has been difficult, guys. And if you're not doing extremely well today, then don't be so hard on yourselves. I've been doing some analysis on the results from Johnny's trading so far for the last month and about a month. And what I've noticed is if we would have excluded Mondays and Fridays, the P&L would be much higher. So we don't have enough data yet to make that a a trend. Like that is like a typical thing to see, because some Mondays and some Fridays will be exceptions. But on two different strategies, by excluding Mondays and Fridays, the stats are way higher, which is very interesting. So Johnny might really need that edge on skipping Mondays and Fridays. Your cousin's here, by the way. Andre's trading a 15-minute orb also? Okay. How many orb traders here in the chat? I've never really understood the concept behind the orb. I know you can trade around the orb, but if you guys have a way of trading the orb that's different, let us know in the chat or maybe in the Discord. Rafiq Saeed, thanks for subscribing. Appreciate having you here, guys. Let's see if we can get some more likes on the stream today. That would be awesome. Got 34 likes. Let's see if we can make it to. Let's see if we can make it to at least. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see if we can make it to. Well, actually, I got to go here in a couple minutes. It is my wife's birthday. If not, I'd stay longer. But thank you for the likes you did give anyway. Thank you for the likes you guys did give. That's awesome. All right, we could see a little bit of a pullback here. If we change our candles to regular candles, we'll see that we did have a MOAS signal here. We got real strong. Selling pressure got really strong here, but this area here, that's why I have a white line there, could be some pretty serious resistance. A short from here, this area here is not the worst trade in the world, but it also could be a bit dangerous. There are some, like I spoke about earlier, there are probably some imbalances in here. Can't really see them, but there are probably some. And it's cleaning all that up now. Yeah, sellers are coming back into the equation here. We're getting that hard rejection at the daily open right now, but is it just a temporary pullback before moving back higher? I don't know. It looks like we could possibly see a little bit more downside, maybe a bounce from VWAP if there are enough buyers still interested in this area. 900 seems like a very likely area for it to head up to. And we've also got that overnight high that we never cleaned up at 980. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let's take a quick look here at the higher time frames and see what's going on, because we're getting so much chop here today. It's kind of hard to figure out where she wants to go. Let's take a look at the 30 and see if there's anything. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is... Okay. Yeah, this is pretty choppy. We've got wicks on both sides of these candles all up in here. It looked like there was a good chance for us to move lower here based off this candle pattern right there. this candle being a doji candle, this candle being a solid bottom candle, top candle, would have moved down. Looked like this should have held, but then we got another doji candle here with a solid bottom here on this candle, which signals that we might be going up. So yeah, it's really difficult to tell. Right now, the upside looks more likely because this could have been a trap to the downside. We did get 2 green diamonds here on the 30-minute. That did hold, and it did come right back up. Yeah, so right now, bulls are definitely in control in the 30-minute because of the wave and because of the diamonds. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we should have had some resistance here at this level, 840. Kind of starting to see it a little bit right now. But we still got the green wave here, still a bullish trend. Last few diamonds that came up here were green. We had a green diamond here. So buyers are still in control. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute looks pretty strong as well. No green diamonds here yet. But we do have an area here that could be resistance, and it is showing its resistance right now. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Is that rollover that we're seeing? Still think that's a really good chance we could pop from anywhere where we are right now and maybe move that the target back up to the 870s. Yeah, I mean that's what I think, because we have a lot of liquidity up here, because when this move broke this trend line here, it came down with a lot of volume. You see these pink candles right here, a lot of volume there. When you have a lot of volume and you see pink diamond, pink diamond, pink diamond, pink diamond, a lot of big volume coming to the downside. So with all these orders coming in, they got to put their stops somewhere, right? So their stops normally would go up here at the last wick, up in here. So that's what I'm saying. I think the market does at least want to come up and hit those 870s. But right now we're having a little bit of a pullback before closing up this entire move. And I think it still has a good chance to shoot to the upside. So let's be patient for that. It could pop from this 800 level once more. That's why I put this line here, because we do have some pretty strong buyers in here. Andre says, I'm trading only when sorry about that. I'm trading only when a 15-minute candle closes clearly outside the 15-minute orb range. When that happens, I take a trade in the breakout direction with a stop loss at around half of the 15-minute orb range. Okay, I like that. I'll do some back testing on that. Mondays are good to me usually, says Paul. Past the 150k TPT eval today. Paul, how do you trade your accounts? Do you use large size small TPs? Like, do you use like a 10-point TP? Also, Andre, what is your take profit on that trade if you're taking a trade when a 15-minute candle closes outside of the 15-minute orb? What would be your target on that? Do you do a 1-to-1? Or do you do like it varies depending on the structure? You're trying to get a 1-to-2? Okay. And that has a 70% win rate, Andre? You're telling me that strategy? Okay, because I'm going to say, like, if you've got a 70% win rate on a 1-to-2, that's like unthinkable, bro. That's like crazy stats. A 1-to-1, I would tend to believe more. But 70% on 1 to 2 is crazy. That's better than institutional trading. First stop says you can do the 8 p.m. orb too. Okay. All right, Johnny might actually still get a TP on this trade. I think she has a possibility of popping here soon, though. Yeah, we are rolling over pretty hard. You guys know how the NQ does. Paul says, I have several strategies. Most trades are scalps with 2 to 4 minis on the right setup. I will play 6 to 12 minis. How many points are you usually taking, Paul? I don't know if I remember correctly, but I think you told me you were taking like 5-point trades on some of these. Most days 1 to 1, but the strong trend days you can get up to 1.5 if you trail stop loss. Okay. Nice, brother. Paul, are you in our Discord? Yeah, you are in our Discord. I see your messages all the time. What am I talking about? I would love to have you on as a guest, brother, to show you how you trade. As long as it doesn't mess up your trading. Like if you're done for the day, you want to show us some like examples of your trading or your setups. I don't want to mess you up because I know scalping requires like super kind of attention to your charts. I know like Sam B, at the first time, I know he was having a little bit of a rough time trying to show his trades and also trade, and it's a lot. Meme Sniper Academy says my short trade on NQ is running at 1 to 1.5. Six to 20 points on longer trades. Paul, so you're strictly only trading ES, right? You don't trade the NQ at all? Is there any? Do you feel like there's an advantage to doing just the ES? So like a 2-point move on the ES, or a 5-point move on the ES, that's a decent sized move. I think on the NQ something like that would be like. It'd be like 10 to 15 points, right, on the NQ? All right, we're getting that move down to 800 here, like we predicted earlier. Let's see if it gets the bounce. Let's see if we get this bounce at 800. She could then go back up to hit the 871 level. That's what I would be looking for. She can go down as low as 780. I'm seeing some of the MOASs on a 15-second showing there. It's a possibility we could even hit 780s. Yeah, we got 788 in here on this one MOAS. 800 on another one. That's the 15-second. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. I think it might be a little premature bounce, but it's not up to me to decide. Am I long or still short? I think I'm still short. Well, Johnny's doing all the trading, the heavy lifting. Yeah, we're still short down to 700. I think it's going to be I think that trade's going to end up getting stopped out. Paul says, the problem in my style might mess people up. It's a bit contrarian. My not trend following. I am buying the edges of a stretched rubber band, reverting to the center of the channel. No, I get it. That's a good strategy. I mean, you do really well on a choppy market, and most of the time the market is chopping. Andre says, the hardest part of my strategy is to take a trade in the direction of a breakout when you think the direction should be in the other direction. Sometimes I have to trade like I'm a robot. Yeah, that would work really well for me because I do have Johnny trading for me. So if that really has a 70% win rate, I'm going to do some back testing on that and see if that's actually the case. But thank you for that. Paul, you ever measure your win rate? Or you ever do some back testing on your win rate or journaling on your win rate? What kind of a win rate do you get on your strategy? And why not the NQ and only the ES? Today's price is so hard to move. Today's price is so hard move. Yeah, today's been a real tricky day. I'm not going to lie. Today has been a very tricky day. I'm hoping we can get a rejection here at the VWAP. Johnny was looking for 700, but I'm not sure if he's going to get it. We got a bunch of targets down here. We got 720. We got 690. We'll see. Looks like the 1 minute is not really believing this move to the upside just yet. It hasn't printed any green diamonds. That is one thing. We haven't gotten one green diamond here on the 1 minute yet. So we could end up seeing that move right back down. Who knows? I play mainly ES. I've been using it for many years. I manage trades on a DOM and a NQ. May run or be too jerky for a DOM. Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah, NQ is kind of very jerky. Look at the 100 days, for example, and you should get around 65 to 70% win rate with the 1-to-1. If that's the case, bro, that would be very easy to automate. Am I from America? Yes, I'm in Florida, if you can't tell with the accent. Paul, are you looking at the DOM to see where limit orders are stacked? Or are you looking at the DOM just to place your orders? Or are you joining the bids or the S on the DOM? Wherever there's a high amount of bids or asks. $75 to 80% wins, 90 to 95 on my best days. Yeah, I've seen some of your best days. It took 25,000 hours of trading to develop my tape reading and trading skills. Yep, it seems to me like you're really cleaning up, dude. You've always done well. And you've always been very humble about it, which is what I love. Greg says he trades with a 10-point stop and tries to get a 1 to 3. It depends on the trade on NQ. What kind of size do you use, Greg? How's the indicator been working for me? I have been following you for a while, but the last time I checked in with you, we are just getting ready to push it out. The indicator is working well, but I'm using most of my trades automated right now. So like for instance, this morning, if we just look at this morning's price action and we go to when the market, right here, let's start from right here. So this MOAS signal right here, let's just go with the MOAS signals for now, because there's two signals in here, the MOAS, and we have the, sorry, that was the wrong one. We have the MOAS and we have the momentum signals, right? The order flow is the MOAS signals, and the momentum signals are different. So right here at 7 a.m. we had a MOAS short, and that one hit pretty nicely. We had some subsequent ones here, also they hit pretty nicely. Right here, they hit nice. So it's one. If you count the subsequent ones, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here's a long that hit 5, very nice. And then here's a short and down to 720. This one has not been hit yet, but the stop loss hasn't been hit either. So this one's still out there. This one could get us stopped out, but so far so good. 5 trades on the day. All green. I might have to just start trading on the 1 minute. It looks like it's trading better than on the 15 second. Sometimes they alternate though. Sometimes the 15-second trades better than the 1 minute. But, yeah, I got some definite I got some work to do on my automated trading system with Johnny. I'm not happy with the way he traded today. Not that he traded anything wrong. It's just the market was so jerky today that on the 15-second, we had a lot of false signals. So we didn't do so well. Couple wins, couple losses, but the 1 minute did a lot better. Rumo's short right now. I'm expecting a sharp pullback. You don't look at the numbers on the DOM. You're using the charts to find the setups. I usually enter with join bid on the orders and then move stops and targets on the DOM as the trade develops. So you look at the 15, the 10, or the 8, Greg? All right, she is moving, still moving here across the VWAP. Chopping the VWAP just a little bit. Came close to our strong level here at 800 again. Came close to it. Because she pulled back up. Right now she is flirting with that 15-minute orb. Let's take a look at today's 15-minute orb. You said the first 15-minute candle that closes outside the orb, that's the direction for the day. So let's look at today. Let's look at that. Today, yeah. Okay, this is today. All right, so we had our 15-minute orb. Let me just highlight it for the people watching out there. All right, this is the 15-minute orb high right here. So let me put a line there that you guys can see that's nice and bright. So this is a 15-minute orb high. Let me make it red. Okay, and here's the 15-minute orb low. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is this has got to be it right here. Yeah, it's got to be right here. open. Yeah, the open dropped down to 930. Yeah, so that's the 15-minute or below. So today, you would not really have a, for instance, here on a 15-minute. So okay, let's see, 15-minute, 945. So on this same, okay, so this same candle here, we broke out above it. So right now, this trade would have lost, right? Because your trade would have looked like this. You said the midpoint of the orb, which would be somewhere around, I would say somewhere around here. We got 718 and 840. That's like 130 points, 120 points. That's 60 points, like 680. So this would be, your entry would have been on this candle, right? Because it broke out. So I don't know where in this candle you would have it, but let's just say you took it like somewhere in here. That's maybe somewhere in here. And then you have a stop loss at 780. Your TP would have been, let's say, a 1-to-1. Your TP would have been there. So this one here would have been a loss, no? This execution here would have been a loss. Is that what you would trade? Something like that? You guys can't see what I'm doing? Why not? Oh, that's your size. Oh, that's your size? 15 micros or 10 micros, 8 micros, or is that minis? You look at the 15-minute, the 5, the 1, the 15-second. Okay. You guys still can't see what I'm doing? Oh, today was, so this is, okay. So this, am I understanding it correctly? All right, so I guess I did understand it correctly. So this was the orb high, this was the orb low. You broke out above it, but today was a loss. Okay, so that's today was just a unavoidable red day. It happens. And today is a chop fest, so don't feel like I'm judging you for it or anything, because today was not a clear day for me either. But I get your strategy. I understand it. I'm gonna do some back testing on it. Johnny's still in his short. He's nice. I still think we could get a bounce here from the 800 though. I still think we could get a bounce from 800. Guys, thanks for the likes. Can we get to 50? That would be great. Okay, this 800 level here could be a real nice place to get long, I'm thinking. $775 is not a bad spot either. Yeah, but I would be looking for longs somewhere from here to 775. I think 775 is actually a better place to look for a long. But it could happen from 800 as well. Yeah, I appreciate learning your guys' strategy. If you guys have a really good strategy, something with a high win rate, I know someone else in here, BP Gaming, told me about his smart money concepts type of trades. I still got to look into that one as well. So I'm going to be signing off here in a moment because I do have a lot of work to do on the back end today, and I have Mrs. Smooth's birthday today too. So a couple of things that we have to work on here. So I'm going to hang out here for just a little bit longer. Oh, look at that move down. Damn, that's news. That is news. Looks like Johnny might end up getting his TP after all. Wow, guys, look at the indicator here. The Smooth Trader Concepts indicator has a 720 target on this 1 minute, and Johnny is still in his short. This could end up becoming a profitable trade after all. This is crazy. Look at that move. We must have had some news just now. Must have had some news. We'll see. We'll see. Oil's flying. Oh yeah, it's got to be some Iran news then. Let's take a quick look at oil. What you doing, oil? Yeah, oil's moving higher. Wow, we had a target up here on oil, and it just got hit. Let's look at the mags. Mags are failing. Mags are failing right now, rolling over. We are looking for a move down to 720 to bring this perfect win rate today on the MOAS to 6 trades. That would be crazy on the 1 minute. If you guys haven't checked out the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator yet, this MOAS signal is crazy today. 6 wins in a row. 6 wins in a row. Just hit the link that's pinned in the chat, and it'll bring you over to something that looks like this. Let me see where it is. Where is it? Do I have it open? I don't have it open. I don't think I have it open. Well, the pinned link in the chat, guys, will bring you over to our kind of link tree. If you want to know about the indicator, it'll bring you to this page. And on this page here, you can choose to do the Smooth Trader Order Flow Simplified for only $7 for 7 days. You can check out the both options if you want to see both options, which is the momentum indicator and the order flow indicator. Both of them do require premium subscriptions with TradingView, so please make sure to know that. You can try both of them only for $7 for 7 days as well. Only difference is that if you want to continue using both, it'll be $97 per month. If you want to continue using just one, it's $77 per month, which is less than $2 a day, guys. And if the longer you sign up for, it's cheaper. It'll be less than $2 a day the longer you sign up for. If you sign up for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, it becomes cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. But very inexpensive, less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. I know this because my wife is a very avid Starbucks person, or she used to be. Also, while you're checking out that link tree, there is a prop firm matrix that brings you to Apex, Trade Day, Tradeify, Lucid, and Legends. I'm gonna start trading Legends pretty soon this week, I believe. And maybe a couple of Apex accounts. So we're going to start rotating a lot more accounts, and we're going to see if we can just take 1 trade a day on them, or 2 trades a day, 3 trades a day tops, and see if we can make some money that way. Right now, Apex is obviously doing their, I don't know why, but they brought back their legacy stuff, which means you can get as many payouts as you can possibly achieve on their sim side before they take you to live. Their live account is really still in question. Not sure what's going on with that. And if you guys haven't already done so, check out our Discord, where you guys can see a lot of good stuff in here. A lot of good setups. We have good analysis. We have great traders in here, guys, if you haven't seen that yet. Very good stuff. Go back to the charts and see if we can get that nasty move down, man. But does anybody know the news? Oh yeah, we always have somebody in the chat that knows the news. All right, so we still are in that short. I'm hoping that we can do something with that short. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Yeah, so let's see the news. I am likewise demanding compensation from Iran, says Trump. Iran are asking for compensation from damage done to during the last 5 months military conflict. Oh, Iran is asking for compensation. So why does that move in the markets like that? I got a payoff from Legends Smooth. You did? Nice. Top News United. I was waiting for someone to confirm that. I think a few people I know in our Discord have. It was a Trump tweet. Yeah. See, if I would have only paid that $100,000 for Trump's tweets, maybe we would have been in on that trade. Instructed my representatives to put this firmly into any and all future negotiations. So goodbye to any chance of a peace deal. Oh, no peace deal. No peace deal. All right, Greg. Yeah, take care. I'm gonna be out here in just a moment too. What's up, Haydem? They're slow, but they pay. Good. I don't care about slow. I just care about the money. You know, they pay, they pay. That's all that matters. All right. We are still pushing to the downside. Maybe we'll still get our 720 that we're looking for on the NQ. Yeah. What a roller coaster this was, man. Look at this. This is like when you come down off the roller coaster, get a couple little camelbacks there, then come right back up. Oh no, barrel roll. Ah. To our death. I don't know. What else can you describe this as but a roller coaster? It really is a roller coaster. Oh, Iran said it first and Trump got pissed and said the same? Okay. Yeah, you can never get this guy. His ego is way too big for anybody to say anything to him. All right, let's see if we get this move down. I think we're short on another account too here with Johnny. Let me see. Yeah, we're short on this one too. Let me log in. Yeah, we're short on this one. Oh no, we were. We were supposed to be short on that one. I guess we didn't catch it because the speed was too fast on it. So I guess we're only short on this one. Yeah, we're looking for 689 on this move. 720 on the 1 minute. Yeah, markets are dipping. Okay, this level, no good, no good. That level got ripped apart. Yeah, I am thinking about this level right now. This level right here could be resistance if we pop back up. This solid level right here. Big move down, possible push back up, which it might have been already here. And a continuation down to 720. Maybe, I'm thinking it's 704. This is where the market really does have a lot of... Let me just go to the 30 minute and I'll tell you why that 700 looks pretty good. Yeah. That 700 level looks really good because of... we had some support in here. I think it was more on a 5 minute that was visible. Yeah, on the 5 minutes, it's a lot more visible. You see we had red diamonds coming down, then big buyers stepping in here around the 704 level. So that could be an area for it to bounce. Maybe a significant bounce, but maybe not a full-blown reversal, but a significant bounce possibly. News is perfectly timed, man. You really can't beat how this news is timed. Okay. Looking for the short down to 720. 680 on Johnny's trade. There, guys. I think I'm going to be signing off here soon, but I want to see if we can get this 720 hit first. Value O Kyun turns 660.04. Vale. I'm going to call you Vale because I don't know how to pronounce that long name. Vale says, I trade 8:15 every day, 9 confirmation, wait the lower high to be swept, and then take the trade. So you use an 8:15 to 9 a.m. kind of orb. You use that 45-minute window between 8:15 and 9, and you trade around that. That's what it goes to show you, man. Anything can work as long as you have proper execution, proper risk management, proper everything. All of it could work. $15-minute chart. Okay. All right, we're getting that move down to 740 now. Maybe 720 coming up soon. I like it. We are in that short. All right, TP 720 coming up soon, hopefully. It's getting close. Johnny's until 680. You think that's possible today? I'm thinking to set my TP at 680 as well based on the previous orders today. I think there's a really good chance that it get to 680, but 704 is going to be a very tough area to break. But if it does break that 704, 680 is in the cards for sure. Okay, I'm going to be done here in a few minutes.
We have to plan to.
Okay. Also, evening at 15:15, wait for the high or low to be swept and then take the trade. You take the trade in the same direction as the breakout. Prod Sun Swift says he would rather focus on ES and DNQ. So, Paul, can we get you on one day, dude? Just to do a quick explanation, summary of how you trade? Yeah, how you been, man? Hopefully you're good. Guys, we're almost at 50 likes. Keep hitting the likes if you wouldn't mind. Let's see if 720 can get hit here. That would show a really nice win rate today for the MOAS. That would be 6 out of 6 trades. That'll be huge. All right. Looks like they might be building a bull trap here. Careful with the longs. I don't know if it's ready yet. Or possibly rejection from the overnight low. Starting to get a little bit of an aggressive move back up. Let's see what happens. I'll tell you, sometimes Tory's trend lines are just unbeatable, man. It's just crazy how sometimes that does work. All right, we made it down to 730 so far. Not the 720 level we were looking for. Let's take a look at the rest of the market, see what's been doing good. Let's see what's doing good here. Let's see. All right. Today we got in, I'm not sure if this is today, but yeah, today Nvidia's bleeding out. Apple's bleeding out. Most of the chip sector is not doing well today. We do have Google flat, Microsoft up 1.4, Meta kind of flat, Amazon's up, SpaceX down a bit, and Tesla's just slightly green. So nothing really here spectacular sticking out besides the big red on Nvidia and Apple. Max continue to push lower. Okay. Yeah, mags are pretty dumpy right now. SpaceX is actually trying to pop. Had a target down here at 128.
Babe?
Yes, babe?
My dad's calling me.
Your dad's calling me?
Yeah. Here.
Okay, hold on. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. We are back. Nvidia, they're looking kind of weak, real weak. Looks like Nvidia wants to continue rolling over. Has anybody traded single stock futures yet? Whoa, look at the move here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's rolling over. Bitcoin is showing some weakness, major weakness. I might be interested in taking a short on Bitcoin. Major weakness here. It's not looking too good on Bitcoin. Yeah, I might try the short on Bitcoin, guys. I'm gonna go short on Bitcoin. I like the short on Bitcoin. But I think I'm gonna put in a limit order on Bitcoin at 580. Let me try that. Don't remember my password. Okay. Autofill, come on. All right, we're in. Let's see, we want a 64. I think we should get a 64. I would say 64, 64.8. Okay. Got a limit order in at 64.8. Hopefully that gets filled. I'm going to put that there just so I can get a notification. I like the shorts. See, oil's still moving higher. Oil got some targets now at 81.7 and then 81.98, almost 82. Let's see what the YM did today. YM is also kind of selling off here, not looking very good. We're at 54,000 on the YM. Where have I been? Okay, gold. Gold's had quite a move here, but now it's starting to give some back. We do have strong support at 4,000 for gold. Looking at the 30-minute here on gold. This thing has been a moonshot since we got close to 4,000. Yeah, that floor was 4,000. Looking real good. Good place to get in on gold would probably be somewhere around 43. We'll see. All right, market's still looking to push here. We are hitting the overnight low again. And if we get rejected here, then that could make for a nice pullback. Yeah. Guys, I think that's it for me. I was looking for that 720 hit here, at least before signing off, but it looks like market's going to chop a little bit before doing it. And I got a lot of things to do here around the house, and plus it's my beautiful wife's birthday, so we're going to have to say goodbye. I say a quick prayer first, but before we do, guys, don't forget, hit the pinned link in the chat. Check out our Smooth Trader Concepts indicator for only $7 for 7 days. Takes you right over here. Don't forget to see our prop firm matrix where you guys can see the best deals across the board. And if you like trading crypto, check out BTCC. It's the exchange I prefer to use. They do have up to $10,000 in sign-up bonuses and up to $30,000 for ongoing prizes for just cumulative amount of trade sizes that you guys are using. So as you trade, you earn rewards. So that's really good. You up to 250x leverage, and you can trade this even if you're in the United States. You don't need a VPN, and they gave you $30 just for doing a KYC, guys. So you can trade with their money. You deposit $1,000, they'll give you 10% sign up bonus. So you can take that $100 and just trade with their money and send $1,000 to your bank account. And that's pretty much it. So guys, I'm gonna say a quick prayer and let you guys go, because it is time for me to kind of get going here. Father God, we thank you, Lord, for this day. We thank you for all the abundance in our lives, Father. We thank you for our families. We thank you for the ability, Father, to provide for our family here by trading. I know not every day is going to be a positive one, Lord, but we ask you to always stay with us, Lord, and keep our mindsets clean. Keep our greed at a very minimum, Lord, and give us patience, because that's what we need as traders, Lord, more than anything else, is patience. Father, we thank you for all of this, Lord. I know it's not every day, Lord, that we communicate with you, Father, but when we do, we want to ask you for forgiveness, Lord, because I know it is very hard to walk a straight and narrow path. Father, I do want to pray for those traders here who are going through a very hard time, Lord, whether that's with their family, with relationships. I know there's some people here who are facing hardships with their health, Lord. I pray for all of them, Lord. I give them all to you, Lord. All their problems you cannot carry alone. We're not meant to carry it alone, Father, but we know through you all things are possible. Father, I also pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and we'll see you all tomorrow. And take care. Love you all.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.